Hi, in today's video, I want to show you how you can make $300 worth of EOS super easily. I want to talk about price prediction for EOS as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Alright, so EOS is right now at $5.40 in the moment. But if we look at the past in during the first pump, okay, that happened in December 2017 and January, we had a first pump that went all the way up to $17 and started around 70 cents. So that was a nice pump. But the thing is, that did not happen with Bitcoin, that did not happen with Ethereum. But look at this, we had a second pump in April, which we didn't see anywhere else, and it went around to $31, all-time high $30.41, which is kind of weird because it did not follow Bitcoin or Ethereum. We'd add a second big pump here. So right now we sit at around $5.41, which means that it's 6 times lower than the current price, than the all-time high. $5.41, and it used to be $30.41 maximum. So we're at about 6 times lower than its all-time high in the past. So what can you expect? We can expect the price to retest this all-time high in the near future. As soon as we're going to have the next pump, for sure, you can expect to see this all-time high to be retested. So now, how can you earn $300 knowing this right now? Okay, with Coinbase you can earn EOS for free, and I already started doing it, and I want to show you why it's $300 that you can earn for free. Okay, let's click here on get started to earn EOS. So I did the first lesson already, and I earned $2 of EOS already. Here in lesson number 2, I did it. I earned $2 in EOS. I did the same thing here, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do it just live. Okay, this one is a 3 minutes video. Those were 2 minutes videos. So I just have to watch this 3 minutes video to earn $2 of EOS. And same thing here. I'm going to watch this 2-minute video, answer a simple question, and earn $2. But then it's not over, because if I give your friends the gift of EOS, invite up to 4 friends to join Coinbase Earn, they'll get special access to earn EOS, and you'll get $10 in EOS for each friend who completes a lesson. That's cool, eh? So what I'm going to do now is invite you to earn EOS. I'm going to put this link that you see right here in the description below. Click on it, and 4 of you will be invited to receive EOS for free simply by watching videos. And the thing is, as soon as those 4 friends are used, so if my link is not working anymore, then put your link. Okay, put your link in the description below, in the comments below. Put your invitation link, so more people can have access to this offer from Coinbase. So more people can get invited to get EOS for free. So try my link first. If it's not working, then more people can subscribe with your link in the comments below. So why did I mention $300? Because first of all, we can easily get $10. Okay, as soon as I will be done with those 2 more lessons here, I will receive $10. I know that I will invite at least 4 persons that will join Coinbase Earn and do the same thing that it takes literally 10 minutes to do to receive this $10. So I'm going to receive an extra $40 by inviting 4 friends. So total, I will earn, let's look here, do this here. So I do 40 plus 10, that's $50. And then I expect the price of EOS, as right now it's $5 something. It's the best time to do this, because it's at its cheapest. As soon as the price of EOS climbs up, and does times 6 and retests its all-time high, everything I've earned in just 10 minutes and sharing my link on this video will give me 300 bucks. Some people wonder, how do you make money on YouTube? I'm making one video doing this quickly, and this can give me $300 simply by making a 7-8 minute video. That's how it's worth it. That's how you make money on YouTube, by doing little things like this. So I'm going to show you right now. Don't forget to use my link in the description below. But I'll show you how easy it is to earn $2 of EOS.
CPU, net, and RAM. Resources on EOS.io. This is Sally. She's created an application that she wants to deploy on EOS, one of the blockchains built with the EOS.io protocol. What does she need to get it running? On other blockchains, Sally might deploy her
So
app
technically, I just have to watch this video. I can fast forward it just to see what they talk about.
On EOS, regular users might only need to stake a fraction of one EOS to get all the CPU and net they need. Users who need more bandwidth and resources and a developer take more EOS to get it. Or is measured instead.
So once you finished watching this, all you gotta do is take the quiz. So I'm gonna try to take the quiz without really watching the video to see if I can do it. How do you obtain CPU and net resources on EOS? Buy them with EOS tokens, download an EOS wallet, buy them on a cryptocurrency exchange. Nothing, you get them for free with EOS. Stake EOS tokens. I'm gonna go with stake EOS token, as I feel this is the right answer from what I quickly saw in the video. Click next. Let's hope I receive it. Yes, that was a right answer. Here we go. I just made $2 as easy as that. And this $2 that I just made, as soon as it will retest the all-time high of EOS, it will be worth 2 times 6, $12, guys. $12 simply because I did this and I answered this question very fast, very easily. So do the same thing. Here's another video. I'm gonna be doing the same thing very soon. As soon as I finish this video, I will be making this $2 right here as well. So don't forget to check the link in the comments and the description below for you to be able to do the same thing. And as I said, EOS might climb to $30 during the next pump. Of course, it's possible, and most likely it will retest its all-time high. Every time in cryptocurrency, in top 10 cryptocurrency, we always retest the all-time high, and EOS is no exception. So if you do all of those steps today, you watch all the 5 videos, you answer all the questions, you will receive $10 in EOS, and then you will be invited to invite people to do the same. And it's super easy to do. Send a link to some of your friends, tell them, show them my video if you think that's going to be easier. Show them my video, tell them to put their links in the comments, and most likely, simply because people are going to watch my video, people are going to click their link, and they're going to get $10 for free as soon as people take the quiz and answer the questions. Super easy to make, super easy to earn money this way. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this kind of video. See you really soon.